TechnoCharts India wishes you and your family a very happy New Year 2021.
Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video we are going to see about cafe model, which is an important library or a framework which we use in machine learning. So let's get started. So the introduction of the cafe model, actually the full form of the cafe will be convocational architecture for fast feature embedding. It is a deep learning framework originally developed at the University of California and Berkeley. It's an open source under BSD license. It is also written in C++ with Python interface. So generally, Cafe is a very old machine learning framework which is not being used by many of the programmers now, but still it is being used only by very particular set of people. Okay, and then we are going to see the history of the cafe model where Yang Jing Jia created the cafe project during his PhD at QC Berkeley. It is currently hosted on only GitHub. Okay, so what it means was, if you want to take any documentation or like if you want to read any post or some example problems which is just written in cafe model means you can only refer to this GitHub. Okay, so what are the features of Cafe? Cafe supports many different types of deep learning architecture geared towards image classification and image segmentation. It supports CNN, RCNN, LSTM and fully connected neural networks design. Cafe supports GPU and CPU based acceleration computationally kernel libraries such as NVIDIA, QDN and Intel MKL. So generally the features of this cafe will be which is a great advantage to the cafe users where it has been supporting all these deep learning algorithms such as ENN, RCNN, LSTM and fully connected neural network, which means all type of the algorithm, like the maximum type of algorithm will be coming under CNN, RCNN, LSTM and fully connected neural network. For example, we use image classification which will be coming under CNN and we use to classify audio which will be coming under the RCNN, and if you want to do natural language processing we will be using LSTM and so on so on. Like these are the features of the cafe model, and cafe also supports this graphical process unit and this central process unit. So like it can run faster in your computer. Like if you use cafe model, it may use either your GPU or your CPU. And then like, what are the applications of cafe model? So cafe is being used in academic research projects, startup prototypes, and even large-scale industrial applications in vision, speech, and multimedia. Yahoo also integrated cafe with Apache Spark to create a cafe on Spark, a distributed learning framework. So as I said already, cafe is not an like up-to-date running machine learning framework because it is a dead one. So this used to be only some particular set of people, and then it is also being used in various fields like vision, speech and multimedia, just nothing but image, audio and doing some animation work or like doing some creative works. Still now Yahoo is being using the cafe, but not only the cafe, they have been integrated the cafe with Apache Spark, which is another machine learning model which we'll see in our video later, and they have been created a new machine learning framework which is called as Cafe on Spark to boost that speed or to develop some what to say some further advantages. So they have been integrated these both machine learning frameworks to create a new one. So like they have been generally using it. Okay, and then why do we need to use cafe? So the first point to use this cafe model is to get an expressive architecture which encourages application and innovation. Models and optimizations are defined by configuration without hard coding. Switch between CPU and GPU by setting a single flag to train on GPU machine, then deploy to commodity clusters or mobile devices. So what does this mean was, generally if we use cafe model, we can optimize the models like without any hard coding, which means like generally using it as a function or like generally training a model and we can use it in a like some other program, and then we can also switch between CPU and GPU. Like say for example, if you don't have many memory or like many storage in your CPU means you can switch to GPU by a single flag to train the GPU mission, and then also you can deploy your product to your commodity clusters. So the second one will be the extensible code. Extensible code fosters active development. In Cafe's first year, it has been forked by over 1,000 developers and many significant changes contributed back. Thanks to these contributors, the framework tracks the state of the art in both code and model. So, what does it mean was actually Cafe's code will be very extensible, so where we can use the code wherever in our program. Once if you create the cafes model, like say for example with using the TensorFlow, if you're creating a model mean we can generally import the model in our another program, and we can take the functions and like we can import the functions and those header files like everything, right? So that is what same in cafe here. And then this is the continuation of the cafe. So the third point will be speed. Speed makes cafe perfect for research experiments and industry developments. It can process over 60 million images per day with a single NVIDIA K40 GPU. That's 1 microsecond slash image for interference and 4 microsecond slash image for learning, and more recent library versions and the hardware were faster still. We believe that Cafe is among the fastest convenient implementations available. So generally by comparing with CPU and GPU, if we use GPU, Cafe works well with it. So generally it can fit like, or it can process 60 million images per day with a particular GPU, and then so like that is what reading an image within 1 microsecond of interference, and then reading a library version within a 4 millisecond for per image. So still we have many faster GPUs or like faster libraries, but we believe that Cafe is among the fastest convenient implementations available. So you can see in the image we have like several command line, like where will be choosing this cafe, or like what is this cafe. It is an open framework model and it is a work example. So what are the tools and seamless between like some of the points has been mentioned here, right? So at last it has a community where cafe already powers academic research projects, startup prototypes, and even large scale industrial applications in vision, speech, multimedia. Join a community of the brews of cafe users, or like for the group and GitHub. If you want to join the group of this cafe, you can also join. So it has a specific community where they can develop, or you can develop some research projects, or if you haven't started a prototype you can go and reach them. So like you will get some support. So thank you guys, and this is for today's video.